46 storm reports that have come in. This is just today. Battery packs of heat in them. These are extreme gloves if you're headed out this morning. That's the trigger mechanism for the storms tomorrow. This front is going to move east and spark the thunderstorms.
If you look here at this car that was flipped over, and you look at the foundation of what had happened here, all this foundation was just picked up and just thrown.
And this is torrential. This is that 2 to 3 inch plus rainfall rate situation that's happening 11 o'clock at night. Sanford, snow, but it's an inland runner, so it's going to pull that southeast wind. Heavy torrential rain, 6 in the morning, Wednesday. There's a stripe here coming through Carroll County, Oxford, a portion of York. That's around 4 to 5 inches of rain that's come down on saturated soil, all because of the humidity coming up from the south. There's a lot of moisture at the ground level. There's also a lot of moisture up in the clouds, too.
This is just an appetizer. The main event is coming. It's going to be a lot of wind, higher than we've had, about 40 miles an hour out here in Portland and South Portland where we're standing.
I'm a big chatty Cathy, though, so maybe I was talking a little long.
Think about the nice weather coming up, too. It's going to be a nice stretch.
Well, first of all, Chloe, it's never too early to think about the weekend.
Also true.
Even on the previous weekend, I do that all the time.
Jason, right now, some rain rolling through the state, and then tomorrow, a warm day.
Yeah, tomorrow everyone gets in on the fun. Okay. Summer, no more 60s tomorrow. We're getting 80s statewide. So if you're a fan of summer, tomorrow's your day. If not, hold on to today as long as you can. Scattered showers, thunderstorms, patchy fog you see behind me. Hot and humid tomorrow. More fog in the morning, more fog at night, and a dry start to the week, but hot with, wouldn't you guessed it, more fog coming. Here's the rain, Bangor down to Augusta here, mostly in central Maine, down to the southwest interior, inland, not the coast just yet, but eventually this rain is going to trek east towards Penobscot Bay and the mid-coast. So we've got the wind coming just basically due south, so all the way from the tropics, you've got heat and humidity, 90 in New Hampshire, flirting with 90 in Sanford. Let me get out of the way so you can see Eastport at 57. I mean, that's the spot. I dream of just moving to Eastport in the summertime because it is just the only place really on the East Coast that is that cool. But we are seeing red. Humidity-wise, comfort factor, this is tropical. I mean, dew points are 70s, 80s. It's disgusting outside. Let's be quite honest about it. I mean, you see that red pop up. That's the highest part of the scale of the legend. You can't get really much more humid than that. So here we go. Heat index, because of that, it's running close to 100 in Sanford and in Portsmouth. Up in Holton, you're going to get there. Promise tomorrow. I'll stop things 8 o'clock. Notice the rain pushes east into Penobscot Bay over towards MDI, Southwest Harbor. So that rain is going to come through tonight, pushing out east of Eastport by 9 o'clock. And then settle things down. Okay, the rain's going to shut off in the overnight. Follow along on your timestamp there and watch. The sky clears, a very weak front, but there's going to be a tremendous amount of fog through Sunday morning. So don't expect the fog to go away. The rain will, but not the fog. And you see the sky clearing over in the Oxford Hills, 8 o'clock in the morning, but this fog is holding on so strong along the coastline. Hot, humid with fog, pretty gross. And then Sunday afternoon, not a lot of rain. A very weak sea breeze kicks up in the afternoon. But it's going to be running hot. When that sun comes out, it's just going to go boom, right up to 90 degrees tomorrow pretty quickly. So there you go. Heat and humidity. And then Sunday night we clear out into Monday. We'll dry out. But notice this is all fog again at the coast that's popping up. So it's going to get very foggy. The coastline is not getting out of fog for days. Ocean temperatures to 60 though. So if you're looking to take a dip, getting closer to those more tolerable numbers there. Alex, I don't know about you, but 60 is not going to do it for me. 89 Monday, 88, and then into the coast, we're going to cool off a bit. 70s are coming with some on and off rain, so if you're not a big fan of heat and humidity, then you've got everything all set up there. But the farmers will like the rain and some 70s. That'll help the crops out because the lawn's getting a little crusty. I don't know if you noticed out there. It could use a little rain.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you, Jason.